Hi, I'm Tony Kremers. There are no songs in this post. It's just a suggestion if you're a beginner on the ukulele, or you run a beginners group, or have a subgroup just for beginners. You might find this list of songs useful. It's good to start off with the two easiest chords of F and C7, and it provides a lot of useful practice in moving between these chords and remembering their shapes and building up motor or muscle memory in the hand. Remember, most audiences don't appreciate the difference between easy songs and difficult ones. They just want a familiar song with a catchy tune and rhythm. So from this list, you could work out a full evening's programme with plenty of variety, playing to a group of old people's homes, hospitals, or just to friends. And it helps beginners particularly to build up confidence in performing. Usually a set would consist of about 12 to 15 songs, depending on the tempos and how much an audience participates. Here's some of the songs I'm suggesting. I hope you found that useful, and if you do take it up, have fun and enjoy.